coming, teacher?
Yes, come.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Sit down. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also okay. What's your name?
My name is Sayyeda.
Which class are you in?
I study in Guardian International School and College.
Which class?
In class standard 1.
Okay, thank you. Are you ready for exam?
Yes.
Translation daily conversation. First questions for you. বিড়বিড় করবে না।
Don't mumble.
কে ডাকছে?
Who is calling?
আর একটু জোরে,
A little louder.
আর একটু আস্তে।
Slow down.
অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Thanks, hello.
আরো একবার।
Once more.
তাড়াতাড়ি করো, তাড়াতাড়ি করো।
Hurry up.
জেগে ওঠো,
Wake up.
আমাকে অনুসরণ করো।
Yeah. Follow me.
ঘুমাতে যাও।
Go to sleep.
Okay, thank you so much. Can you make a presentation about your family?
Yes.
Okay, start.
Hi friends, Assalamualaikum. I'm Sayyeda. I'm originally from Dhaka, Kraniganj, and still I'm living here. I study in Guardian International
Today?
School and College. Today I'll be talking about my family. So let's start it. I have a small family. There are 4 members in my family. My father name is Shopon Mia. My mother name is Sonia Akhtar. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. I have one sister. We always help each other. My family members are very caring. I love my family very much. Thanks all about my today presentation. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye.
Thank you.
You
for
are-
excellent presentation.
Your presentation is very good. Thank you so much. Ready for the questions?
Yes.
Okay. What comes after 33?
34.
What is the sum of 1 and 3?
4.
4. Rintu had 7 balls, 5 were lost. How many are
Two.
left? 2. Very good. 2 twice plus 2 twice equal to what?
4.
4. What comes before 31?
30.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, now you say আমাদের দেশের নাম কি?
বনপ্রজাতন্ত্রী বাংলাদেশ।
ঘুড়ি কোথায় উড়ে?
আকাশে।
মেঘের কোলে কি হেসেছে?
রোদ।
বাংলাদেশের বড় সমুদ্র সৈকত কোথায়?
কক্সবাজার সমুদ্র সৈকত।
বাংলাদেশের সবচেয়ে বড় বিমানবন্দর কোনটি?
হজরত শাহজালাল আন্তর্জাতিক বিমানবন্দর।
Okay, thank you. Very nice.
Are you ready for science and Islam questions?
Yes.
Name of 2 man-made things around you.
House and school.
Thank you. Good. Which food gives us energy?
Carbohydrates.
Thank you. What does